Hello creatives, and welcome to Nice Light Media. So today I am going to show you how I was able to edit this image, how I was able to color grade and generate this skin tone for my image from this to this, from this to this. So first I will delete this my edited one. Then I will start from, I've already done my frequency separation. So I've already done my frequency separation. So I'm going to create a new copy of this image for the color sample, for us to sample the color. So I'm going to click Alternative Control E. So after I click Alternative Control E, then you will pick your quick selection tool. You click your quick selection tool, then you will map the areas you want to change the skin tone. You map the area. Okay, let me say, okay, I'm changing. So yeah, done mapping the places we want to use our skin color correction for. So the next thing you are going to do is to pick your brush tool. Pick your brush tool, then create a new layer. Create a new layer. So you name it color correction. So I'm just going to abbreviate it, color correction. So you name it color correction. So after this, you change it from normal to color. Then now you zoom your picture, your image, you zoom it out. Then you click your alternative to sample the area, the color of that's the area you want the color to be on the place you have mapped. You sample the color by clicking alternative, then right click your marks, then you sample the color. So I will be using this color, or let me say, no, I will use this color. So we are going to be using this color. So after you pick this color, then you right click, you hold down your right click, then paint the areas you have sampled. The areas you have mapped, you paint it carefully. So paint the area you have mapped carefully. So we are done painting the whole area that we have mapped. The next thing to do now is to remove your trimming tools by left clicking. Then you deselect by deselecting. So the next thing after deselecting, if you look at this picture very well, I have paint some parts I don't supposed to paint. So all I'm going to do is to pick my Polisgamma Losa tool, then trim it to remove the color from the clothes. So this so I think that is all. I think that is all. So the next thing is we are going to reduce the opacity. I think I still need to trim the eye first. I think I still need to do this first. Okay, this one is clean. This one is clean. Then so after doing this, the next thing is you have to reduce the opacity. You have to reduce the opacity down. You draw it to 50. 50 is quite okay. Yes, 50 is quite okay because there's not much difference between the skin and the color we have used. So this before and this after. You can see this is before and this is after. So we are not done. We are not done yet. We are not done yet. So all you are going to do is to you come to your graded, that's a selective color. You come to selective color, then you click on selective color. But before you do that, before you do your selective color, you first of all map, you click on this your skin tone color. You hold on your control, then you click the middle of it to map the areas that you have, the area that has your skin color tone. So start doing that. You click here. When you click here, then you come to your selective color. What you'll be doing here is to adjust the red and the yellow. You adjust the red and the yellow. So here we are going to adjust the yellow a little. So let's zoom our image out. So you take the yellow to front a little. Let me say 11% is okay. The black, take the black to, that's the, we are using this as shadow. So let's take it to 11 is okay too. 11 is okay. Then you come to your color. First, let's draw this one to, let's take this one. Okay, let's take this one. Let's leave it on 11 too. Come to your yellow. The same thing. You do the same thing to your yellow. You did the same thing to your yellow. Do the same thing. You draw the black to front. So on the yellow, we are taking the black to the front by plus 19%. That's a 19 plus. Then you take this one to 20 plus. So this one, we are done with this. You can see we are done with this. This is before and this is after. This is before and this is after. So after doing this, you come to you click here again. You click here, then you come to your color balancing. Come to color balancing. Then you create clip marks. Then you adjust the red a little. You take the red a little to 13. Okay, let's leave it at 13. Then you take the yellow a little to 9. Yes, 9 is okay. 9 is okay. So now we are going to group this color tone stuff. We are going to group it. Now let's group it. So after grouping, let's see what we have done. So this is before, this after, this before, this after. You can see before, after, before, after. So now the next thing we are going to do is to, first we are going to make a copy of our image by clicking alternative Control E. Yes, by clicking alternative Control E. After clicking alternative Control E, so the next thing we are going to do is to color grade. We are going to color grade the skin again by using Camera Raw. So we are going to map the place we need to color grade. So I always do 3 times color grading on my photo. That is if the photo is when paying photo. Is where if the job is when paying job. So I always do twice color grading to get my perfect skin tone. So after mapping the area, you left click, then you click your feather, with the 12, then you come to your Camera Raw. So now you come to your color mixer. your color mixer here, you draw the saturation, you draw it a little to allow the color pump, you draw it a little. Then your luminance, you take it backward a little. Then let's come to dark yellow. Then the dark orange, you take your saturation, take it front a little. So we are using dark chocolate on the skin. So you take your luminance backward a little. This is okay. Yes, this is okay. So now you come to your color grading. Come to color grading. So what you are going to do for you, just adjust it a little. So we are making use of chocolate color tone. So which you do it this way. Then your shadow, you take your shadow here, the same thing, the same color, you place it on the same color. Then sorry. So your highlight should be the same thing too. Your highlight should be the same thing. So our color is popping already. You can see the color is popping already. So you blend the color by taking it forward. You blend it a little, or let's take it backward. Yeah, let's take it backward. Okay, then you balance it. If you take it to the front, the color will be too much. You can see the color will be too much. So we take it backward a little. -10 is okay. -10 is okay. So this is it. This is it. Then you add a little contrast to it. Then you brighten it a little. You take your exposure up a little. So this is it. You click OK. So you can see before, after, before, after. So now we are not done. You make a copy of this. You Control J. So cut it out. After you Control J, then now you come to your skin fine. I always make use of skin fine on my work, to get a good blending. So you come to your skin fine. So on your skin fine, this custom tone, if you draw it down, your photo will turn smooth. So you draw it backward to remain natural. So here now, this is where we are going to do a little work. So we are going to add a little contrast to it, by taking it to, let our contrast be, okay, let the contrast be 30. Let's put it 30. Then our shadow, we are taking our shadow down. So we are taking our shadow down. Yes, shadow 23 is okay. Our highlight is going to be up, which is the light part of the body. Let's take it up a little. Okay, this is okay. This is okay. So now the next thing we are going to click, we are going to take this one, adjust it a little. Yes, then adjust this one backward a little. Okay, then we are going to click OK. So you can see this is before, after, before, after. You can see after using the skin file, we have a good chocolate color tone already. We're having a good chocolate color tone already. So the next thing we are going to do, we are not finished. The next thing we are going to do, we are going to make a complete copy of our image by clicking alternative Control E. So after making a copy, so now we are going to do a full color grading where both the background and the skin tone will almost look alike. So first, I'm going to remove this by using my fill to remove it. So now you will make a copy. You will Ctrl J to make a copy of this. You Ctrl J to make a copy of this. Then now you come to your camera raw filter. Come to your camera raw filter. Then now you come to your color mixer. So here your color mixer, you click on this yellow, then you draw it backward, -100. You take it to -100, then you draw this yellow, you take it to +17, then you take this one down a little to create that shadow to that shadow color. Take it down. Then your green, you take your green down, you kill the green, you kill the saturation, then you kill the hue by taking it down -100. Then you darken it a little, you darken it, the luminance, you darken it a little. So after doing this, then you come to color grading. Here in the color grading, we are going to use, so your sorry, so the mid-tone, the color grading, the mid-tone, we are using this color in the mid-tone. So we take it a little here like this. Yes, so we take it like this. Then shadow, so we are taking the shadow, we are using we are still using the same, we are using yellow, a little bit light yellow. So highlights, the same thing, we are using a little bit yellow, the highlight. So you can see before and after. There's it. Then here your effect, you come to your effects, you take this down a little, to create a dope, shadow around the image. So you take it down a little to -40, -30. So after doing that, you come to your exposure, you brighten it a little. Okay, so this we are done with this, and we are done with this. You can see this is before and after. So I hope with this you have learned something. So keep practicing, because practicing will make you know more of this, it will make you perfect. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We still remain Nice Light Media. Follow us on all social media and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you in our next tutorial.